Hello guys, it's Isaac and today it's Retro Tuesday, so we're going to be playing an old game. We're not really an old game today, but a revamped game called Kill the Plumber. Let's play. It's by Dojo Games. Nice intro. So let's click play. World 1. Let's go. There's the plumber. Sire, Maniac is in our kingdom. What? Send the troops! Go, little goon, get near and kill him. Move sideways with Andy. Okay, let's go. What? We got him. 3 stars. Oh yeah, guys. Boom. Oh, we have to stomp on him. Let's get ready. Ugh. Stomped his face off. I think we're pretty good at this game. I think we're gonna have to replay that. Ugh. Dang it. Dang it. Oh, he killed us. That's unfair. Got him. 3 stars. Whoa, what? Next level. Let's do this. Crap. This one's is hard. Boom. 3 stars. He died. I wonder if that's like when the oh yeah, it's when the timer runs out for him. Make the player lose in any way possible. I think jump. Yeah. Boom. He died. He jumped off the edge. Wait. I have to go check. Main menu. Okay, yeah, we got 5 stars. We got 3 stars. Use your head. That joke never gets old. Boom. Got him. 3 stars. Next one. I think I know. Yeah. 3 stars. 1, 2, 3. I wonder how it gives us extra points. Like, what does this count for? Ooh. This one. I don't know about this one. Yeah. Oh, that might not have been 3 stars. Okay, we have to replay. Yes. Okay, we definitely got 3 stars. 2, 3. Okay. Maybe if I stand right here. Yes. 1 up yours. Oh. Got him. We can jump now. That's cool. That's cool. Got him. Next level. Oh. This one's much harder, but it's easier because I can jump now. Yeah. 3. Next. I think we have to get up here and stand. Dang it. Come on, guys, we got this. Trying to think. Why did I do that? I could have totally got him right there. Okay, let me stand right here. Nope. You got him. Okay, let's try for 3. Oh, we didn't get 3. Okay, let's try next level. What is this? Oh, I don't like this. This is not good. He's faster than us. Jump! Nope. Got him. 3 stars. World 1 done. Is there a World 2? There's a World 2. I have a good idea. Boom. That was fun. Got him. Oh no. No? How are we supposed to get him then? No. Boom! That was hard. Let's go. 3 stars. Nope. I got this. Got him. 2, 3. We have 3 stars. Throw axes. That's cool. No! He sucks. No. No! Okay. So I need to get right here. Okay, he leaves after a certain time. Oh, so close. We need to stand closer to it. Nope, he went too early. Don't. Maybe I should just try running at him. How do you do this? Yeah? Oh, no. Okay. That didn't make it. This is hard. Yes! Finally. 2, 3. Oh. First try. First axe. Yeah. I don't like it when it becomes Fire Mario. It's hard. Oh, nope. So we have to survive his fire. Yeah, we got him. I don't know how we got him, though. New best. Good. Press down. Boom! That's cool. I want to be the exploding guy again. Yay. That one was easy. Just have to press down. I can't jump, can I? Nope. Nope. Okay. Time. Oh, I'm timed? This is like when the Goombas get timed, except they don't. So close. So close. The Goombas don't ever get timed, do they? This is hard. If only I could jump, this would be a lot easier. I don't like it when it does the small ones because they're super hard to dodge. Nope. I'm pretty sure I didn't get hit by that one. This game's cheating. Yeah, wait. Oh, I just had to survive? Oh, that's easy. Okay. I set it up perfectly the first time. Boom! Another castle. Let's go. Next level. Oh, what? Let's just sit right here. Oh. Let's sit right. Here, then. Yeah, he jumped straight into us, killed himself. Which doesn't quite make sense. What? What? I don't think I'm fast enough. No! Dang it. How am I supposed to do this? I failed. Okay. Tell you what, guys, I'll try to play this game next week. If you guys want me to play another game, post in the comments. If you want to visit our website, this should be on there too, along with a lot of other videos. Check in the comments. And goodbye for today.